Welcome to another adventure with the blues rhythms. This is a classic rock and roll version of the blues because we're basically going to be rocking back and forth, rocking and rolling back and forth. So basically we're doing this in E minor again. If you don't know how to play your basic blues chords in E minor, check out the beginning video that's Blues Basics. That will talk about how to play the chords. We're flattening our finger out. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take finger number 1. For the E chord, we're going to flatten it out and press down string 5 and 4. And we're going to play only string 6, 5, and 4 if you want, but you don't even have to play that. You can actually just play 5 and 6 for this. So you want to have your first finger on the 2nd fret. You're going to hit that twice like a heartbeat. Then you're going to take your 3rd finger, skip over the 3rd fret, and you're going to put it on the 4th fret. And you're going to play that 2 times where you're playing the 6th string and the 5th string. And then you're going to toggle back and forth between those. So you're going to start out on the 2nd fret and play that 2 times. Remember stopping your strings in between with the palm of your right hand. So you have that heartbeat thing. So you do it 2 times. Put your 3rd finger down on the 4th fret. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. So what you want to do when you're doing that is you want to leave your 1st finger down on the 2nd fret and just lift your 3rd finger up when you're doing that. And that's the basic blues rock and roll pattern that's been going on since the dawn of blues time. Okay, see how that feels. And then we're going to switch to when we switch to the A chord, you're going to move your fingers down 1, so you're going to play the A string open now, which is a 5th string. And then, so that's this guy here. And then you're going to play, press down the 4th string with your 1st finger. So it's flattened out, so I'm not sticking up on the tip, I'm just flattening it out. A lot of blues stuff is played with the sides of your fingers, which is really different than regular rock stuff. Okay, so I'll move my hand up here too so you can see the rhythm happening. So we're going to play 2 times on the 2nd fret, and then 2 times on the 4th fret. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. See what that feels like. Okay, and then when we eventually get to the B7 chord, it's a pesky chord where we're taking our 1st finger, putting it on the 1st string, on the 2nd fret, skipping a string, 3rd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd finger on the 5th string. 1st finger is going to go on the 1st fret on the 4th string. And when we hit those, we're going to play those in a triplet feel, which would be 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and then the A chord the same way, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and okay, and then we go back to there. So in classic 12-bar blues, we're kind of actually, what we're doing is we're doing it twice as long as we normally do for other things, so that you have a chance to really toggle back and forth, especially to use this too as a backing track for your rhythm thing. So we'd play, on the E, we'd play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'd switch over to our A chord. We're going to do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go back to the E and do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then to the B7 chord, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and A chord, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and then back to toggling back and forth on the E chord 4 times. 1, 2, and okay, and then the pattern starts over again. So let me go ahead and play the pattern, and then you can try playing along with that. The main thing is to make sure that you start on the 2nd fret, because if you go backwards, even though you're playing the same thing, it'll sound like a horse running backwards, kind of. It's very weird. Whichever one you start on will, their brain will lock in that way. So just to make sure you start on the 2nd fret. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E. Six, 7, 8, switch, 2, 3, 4, back over, 2, 3, 4, D7, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 8 and 2 and a 3 and a 4. Okay, and that's a pattern. Starting over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back over the E. 2, 3, 4. B. A. E. There you go.